Hello, Not Too Shabby fans. This is Teresa, and I am coming to you today with some cards. This is my sheet load cards. Using the paper pad and ephemera, Lattes of Love, that is in the box of the month. So this is your introduction to the mood board, our monthly mood board, and you can enter up to 3 times. And I will have the blog post link down below where you can enter. And I will also have right here, I'll insert it after right here, the mood board picture. And it's pretty cute this month, I might have to say myself. And you can enter, and we would love to see your projects. You can win, have a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. So, excuse me. So I use Lattes of Love, beautiful, beautiful paper pad. Let me tell you, if you need paper pads to do your Valentine's Day crafting, your Valentine's cards for school kids, for loved ones, for your friends, your crafty girlfriends, you know, this is the kit for that. This is a fabulous kit, and the best way to get this kit is to subscribe. You get an 18% discount when you subscribe to the box of the month. So that is the best way to do it. I'll have everything linked down below for you. So here are, I'm going to just do a quick flip through on this paper pad. And you can see some of the sheets. Beautiful, beautiful papers. So, and then I will show you my cards 2 at a time because I made them in pairs. So this is what the sheet load looks like this month. Let me bring in the actual printable. And the way you can print and get this sheet load of cards is to go to Call Me Crafty Al's YouTube channel, and she asks that you're a subscriber. So she also always debuts this on the 1st of the month, so that's the video you want to look for where the printable is. So I used some ephemera on my cards, and then this set of ephemera has lots of sentiments in it, so I used the sentiments. So there's the first 2 cards. And then we have the next 2 cards. I also, in addition to the sketch, I used this heart background cover plate die to create my cards. And then I pulled out some enamel dots from my stash to you know, add some different embellishments, and then I also sparkled them up with my sparkle pen. So those are the next 2 set of cards. And then the last 2. This sheet load makes 8 cards. Then we have the last 2 cards. This sheet load makes 8 cards. So I am looking forward to seeing your projects over in the monthly mood board. I usually try my best to comment on every single project. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.